Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Blackview A200 Pro. Start by opening Play Store on both smartphones to get this app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays to select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Blackview. Also on an Android, use all of those categories available at the top, and thanks to them pick all of your files that you wish to transfer. When you finish, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then got it, in Here's Some Tip pop-up, and now you can finally decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and hit Receive to connect. To scan the QR code though, you can use the scanning icon above User Guide, close an ad, allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!